Hello and welcome to the BS Academy. This video is particularly for the preparation strategy of 2021. Now before starting the strategy of GATE 2021, first you have to clear in your mind that the vision for the examination, or you can say that your why should be greater than your no. Because lots of students started the preparation and after 1 or 2 months they quit the preparation for the examination. So first you have to clear in your mind the vision for the examination, that in any situation you don't have to quit the examination. If someone asks you that why you have to clear this examination, then in just 1 second your answer will be there. It may be the greatest power, it may be the great opportunity for going to the IITs or NITs, or it may be the great career. But in just 1 second, that answer should be there in your mind. After that only you can do the preparation for continuously for 5 to 6 months. Always keep one thing in the mind, that for any examination, consistency is the only key. You have to be consistent at any situation. Now starting the preparation strategy. If we start from the 1st September, then we have 5 months for the examination. And for every branch in the GATE examination there are main 4 factors. First one is the concept, second one is the previous year questions, third one is a subject wise test series, and the fourth one is your short notes. So for each and every subjects you have to make these 4 things. Now we have 5 months. So in the first 4 months you have to complete your all the syllabus as well as these 4 factors at any situation, because in the last month you have to do the practice of the test series, which is a full length as much as possible, because in the examination the test series plays the major role and it will help you a lot. So let's suppose if we take an example for the mechanical branch, then there are 5 topics are there, in which 2 are general aptitude and maths, which are common for all the branches. Then from the remaining 3 topics there are 16 subjects are there. So for the 4 months, per month you have to complete your 4 subjects, and for each and every subjects you have to complete that 4 factors of concepts, previous year questions, then subject wise test series and your short notes. So if we look about that subjects are the engineering mechanics, then second one is mechanics of materials, then third one is theory of machine, fourth one is vibrations, and fifth one is machine design, fluid mechanics, heat transfer, thermodynamics and applications, casting, forming and joining processes, then machining and machine tool operations, then metrology and inspection, then computer integrated manufacturing, then production planning and control, then inventory control and the operation research. So these are the subjects you have to complete during these 4 months. Now if we look about the table here, so during the first week, means from the 1st September you have to start your first subject and you have to complete that subject before the 7th September, because on the 7th September you have to give the examination of that subject. On every Sunday you have to give the subject wise examination. Now for the second week you have to complete the 4 factors for the second subject. Also you have to revise the first subject on the last day. Similarly for the third, for the fourth and for the remaining subjects. For general aptitude and maths you have to spend every day 1 hour for these 2 subjects, because most of the people or most of the students does not give the attention towards these subjects and prepare these subjects at the end of the syllabus. But if you want to achieve a good rank in the GATE examination, then please start doing the general aptitude and the mathematics from today and provide daily 1 hour to these subjects. Now after completing all the concepts, in the last month you have to give the full length test series as much as possible, but minimum you have to give 4 full length test series. So in the first week if you start For the first test, first revise all the subjects from your short notes which you have made during the 4 months. Then on the 6th day, give the examination for that subject, and after that the analysis of the test is very most important for the exam. After analysis, you have to revise that subject and clear the doubts about that subject. But here one most important point is there, that after revising that subject you have to first give the subject wise test series. Then you have to give your full length second test series. Keep one thing in mind, it will help you a lot. So in this way you have to give your test series, and minimum in 4 weeks you have to give 4 full length test series before the examination. And while giving the examination, please avoid the silly mistakes and focus on the accuracy. One more thing is there, while starting the test series, please don't concern about the marks, because in the starting or in the beginning you don't have any idea about the test series. So please don't demotivate it from that marks. Please focus on your concepts and revising your mistakes. In the preparation of the GATE examination, your short notes and the analysis of your test series are very most important points. In just 1 week you have to complete the 4 factors for your subjects. So for that, our academy has made the charts for the respective subjects, which includes all the concepts of every subject after referring so many materials and the well-known reference books. So if you want to need the guidelines how to make the charts or the short notes, you can check out the link are in description box. So if you like this video, please do like and subscribe to the BS Academy. And for the next chart of the production technology, you can subscribe and press the bell icon. Please share this video to your other friends who is preparing for the GATE examination. Thank you so much.